Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to connect the Samsung T9 portable SSD to this device and how to move or copy the photos or videos from SSD to your phone. Okay, so this is my Samsung T9 portable SSD. So let me show you how to connect this one. So with the help of this cable, we can easily connect this SSD. You can see this Type-C cable. So first of all, I am going to show you. I am going to open the files application. Now, after open the files application, tap on browse on the bottom right side. Now, first of all, connect the cable to your phone. Now, the other end connected to your SSD. You can see blue light. Just wait. You can see the name of the SSD. You can see here. You can see, right? So let me show you how to move or copy the photos or videos directly from your external hard drive to your phone. First of all, select the photos or videos that you want to copy or move. Okay. If you want to select the multiple photos, tap on the three dots on the top right side. Tap on select. So here I am going to select all of these photos. Now tap on the three dots on the bottom right side. Tap on copy 5 items. Okay. Now go back. This is the main page of the files application. Tap on my iPhone. Press and hold the blank area of the page. Tap on paste. Now you can see all the photos are here. So simply in this way we can easily move or copy the photos or videos directly from the external hard drive to your iPhone. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.